Live from WBFF in Baltimore, this is Fox 45 Morning News.
And in your hometown hotspot, we are seeing what one local restaurant is cooking up this summer. Looking good already. 6:22, you're watching Fox 45 Morning News. Oh, yeah, there you go. All local, all morning.
Well, 6:24, outdoor seating, American cuisine. Those are just some of the things that you can look forward to at the Stanford Kitchen. This morning, Chef Anthony Peak is joining us live in Owings Mills. He's given us a taste of what they are cooking up this summer in today's Hometown Hotspot. So good morning. Got the grill fired up?
Good morning.
Tell us what you're making right now. This looks delicious in our tease video. It's making me hungry.
Today we have some of our signature barbecue ribs. One of our signatures throughout. Everybody loves them. Perfect for your summertime getaway. Nice day to sit on the patio, have some barbecue ribs, enjoy a few cocktails. A great place to do it.
Now, I am from Memphis, so barbecue runs in my blood. So tell me a little bit about this sauce you've got going on out there. That's the secret, I think.
This is our signature barbecue. It's a little bit of sweet, a little bit of hot. It's quite good. Pairs very well with the spiciness of the ribs, the sweetness of the sauce. Get a nice little bit of char on them.
Do you use the grill a lot more in the summer for your summertime menus and stuff?
Always, always. Well, grill is a signature here. We do a wood fire grill in most of our stores. Gas here provides a little bit of more consistent heat for us. And yes, it is quite the barbecue season.
All right. Well, hey, thank you for giving us some of your time this morning cooking for us. I wish we could smell that because that's always the best part of the barbecue experience. Thank you so much, Chef Anthony Peak.
It is our pleasure.
And fine dining in Baltimore County, we are going out to Owings Mills. We've got a look behind the bar at the Stanford Kitchen. You're watching Fox 45 Morning News, all local, all morning. Wonder what they're making us.
It is 7:24. Let your taste buds enjoy a fine dining experience while easily hanging out with your friends. Sounds pretty great. Manager Matt Burke is live from Stanford Kitchen with a look at their happy hour menu for this morning's Hometown Hotspot. Matt, what are you making?
Today I'm going to be making our classic Pear Martini. It's by far one of the most popular cocktails, and we're also going to see that during the summertime the guests love this fruity, very vibrant cocktail for themselves.
Matt, what did you call it?
Delicious. It's our homemade Pear Martini.
Pear Martini. All right, what's in it?
Yes. So today we're going to be doing 1.5 ounces of our Grey Goose pear vodka.
I'm with you so far.
We'll be mixing that with, we'll be mixing that with 2 ounces of our sour mix as well. A dash of amaretto as well to accompany the drink.
Very nice.
We're going to pour this over ice today. Give it a nice shake.
That's what a drink is made out of, is that shake right there.
Yes, that's it. And it's like the guests like it, you know, like when they see it being made, they get that true homemade feeling for themselves.
Oh, very pretty. Looks fresh and cool for the summer.
Finish the drink off, we do a slice of house-cut pear, nice and fresh. And these drinks actually pair excellent with some of our happy hour food that we have as well.
Oh, what do you got?
And then over here we just have we have a small selection. So first off, we're going to have our tuna tacos tossed in a soy dressing with Asian coleslaw. We're going to have our slider trios that include barbecue chicken, pulled pork, and cheeseburger sliders. We also have a homemade Egyptian-style hummus with a warm garlic naan bread.
Oh, that sounds
and then
good
we
too.
also have here these colossal onion rings with a chipotle mayo and barbecue sauce. And if you're in for something a little bit more relaxed as well, with some extra flavor, we're going to have our smoked salmon dip tossed in a dill tartar sauce and served as our crostini toast points as well.
What time does happy hour start?
So happy hour is from Monday through Friday from 4 to 7. It's in here at the inside bar area as well as the tables on your right.
Sounds
and then
great.
We're also going to have, if our guests are interested, our full patio as well. It's a full dining section for our guests, and it's wonderful at this time of year. We'll have the umbrellas up, the fireplace on. It's a nice, cozy environment for the guests.
We'll see if you're able to do happy hour tonight. I know our photographer Jabri's out there, so we'll see what's left over for them. Matt, thank you so much for joining us.
And it is a fine dining experience like no other. We have a look at what a local restaurant is cooking up this summer. First ribs, now we got some burgers, it looks like. Looks good. That's in our Hometown Hotspot. You're watching Fox 45 Morning News, all local, all morning. 8:23, and this summer, soak up the sun while you enjoy a fine dining experience. The Stanford Kitchen is grilling up something hot this summer. Chef Anthony Peak is joining us live in Owings Mills. He's got the details in today's Hometown Hotspot. You're back at the grill. We got ribs last hour. Now, what do you got right now?
Today we're doing a veggie burger for our non-meat eating guests. It's going to be composed of mostly brown rice with prunes, beets, just for good color and earthiness. We're going to do a little bit of our house burger seasoning on top, along with some chopped herbs, and serve with French fries and fully loaded burger set. So
it looks delicious.
It is definitely a wonderful alternative.
And it looks hearty, too.
It is. It's quite filling, but always make sure we save room for our wonderful desserts, which will be coming up on the next segment here at the Stanford Kitchen.
Oh my goodness. Okay, wonderful desserts. And then tell us a little bit about what else you have cooking on the grill. We've got some more time. Let's keep talking.
All right. Well, we have a variety of great steaks. We're going to be featuring a Maui ribeye this weekend. We're going to be doing 9-ounce filet, as well as our house signature prime rib, which is my own personal favorite. Aside from that, we got a lot of great meat burgers, great happy hour menu, grilled flatbreads, grilled bread for hummus. So wonderful variety, especially our barbecue ribs, which you saw earlier, my own personal favorite.
I know you are keeping us hungry this morning for sure. And we heard from the bartender Matt earlier. He was making up a Pear Martini. So you can wash it all down with some delicious cocktails too. And then, like you said, save room for dessert. We got some seconds. Give us a little preview of the dessert if you don't mind.
Preview on the desserts, we're going to be doing key lime pie feature, and we're going to be showing you guys how to make bread pudding later.
Ooh,
so that's one of our house signatures, huge crowd favorite.
Oh, it sounds so good. All right, Chef Anthony Peak, and tell us again what time happy hour starts today, because we also got to look at that patio, and first day of summer, it's probably going to be packed today, huh?
It should be. At least happy hour is going to be starting at 6 o'clock. I'm sorry, 4 o'clock, and that's going to roll through until 7.
All right. Well, we can't wait for when you join us back with those desserts. Want to see those in person. That was a good little teaser for us, just getting our appetites going here. Thank you so much.
It is 9:08 and just in time for summer. The Stanford Kitchen is offering some great views with even greater food. Chef Anthony Peak joining us live from Owings Mills with all the details in this morning's Hometown Hotspot. Good morning, Chef Anthony. How are you?
Well, good morning. How you doing?
Doing great. What are you cooking up?
This morning we're going to be doing a little bit of bread pudding, one of our signature desserts.
Really? What makes it so good?
The slow cook time and just scratch ingredients. We make everything in-house here from scratch, so that definitely provides us with a much better flavor.
Yes.
Quality ingredients coming in, quality ingredients going out.
What kind of flavor? For those people who, anytime I think of bread pudding, I always think I'm not going to like it, and then I'm pleasantly surprised. What do you put in yours?
Well, first thing we start off with is cream, sugar. We're going to mix in some nice vanilla extract, a little bit of eggs to help it come together, some raisins, and then the big topping is we're going to top it with a Grand Marnier cream sauce at the end. Ooh. That's where the real flavor comes in.
Yes, that sounds really nice. For those people, we talked about the great views of the Stanford Kitchen. Where are you at in Owings Mills?
We are right on at Owings Mills Boulevard next to Stevenson University.
Okay. Oh, my goodness. Chef Anthony, we just saw the final product there. Look at those beauties in front of you there. Is the middle one the bread pudding?
Oh, thank you. The middle one is the bread pudding.
Wow.
To one side, we're going to have our key lime pie, which is another signature of ours and a personal favorite of mine. After that, on the other side, we're going to have our signature, our featured dessert for the week, which is going to be a tres leches cake.
I just wish you had bigger servings. That won't be enough for me.
Oh. Well, we can always make it two.
Oh my gosh,
I think we're going to send some back to the station for you guys.
Oh, you made a lot of people happy right now. Those servings look amazing. The appetizers this morning looked great.
You.
Thank you for giving us a little taste of what you have out there. We appreciate it.
It is our absolute pleasure.
We're going to put more information on how our viewers can come out and see you and maybe get a taste themselves. FoxBaltimore.com/newslinks. Did you see the size of that key lime pie?
They don't scrimp on the whipped cream either. That looks good.
No.